As a Norwex consultant, I've done the raw chicken demo hundreds of times, but this time I get to do it in real life. Y'all, this is my fridge, and that is a disgusting mess. A leaky bag while defrosting chicken thighs mess, to be specific. So like any good Norwex consultant, the first thing I grab are my protein testing swabs. We're gonna see just how gross this mess really is. Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh yeah, that is disgusting. Super disgusting. But never fear, Norwex is here. Alright, it's the moment of truth. Time to test again with my second swab. So if the swab stays green, the surface is clean. Let's check. Norwex for the win, y'all. Green means clean every single time.